Hi whole class, hope you're all doing okay. Today we're going to be thinking about one more and one less. Here we have a number line, so we're going to look at the missing numbers. So I want you to count along the numbers and I want you to think about what could the missing numbers be. So we've got 0, 1, 2. So we know the number that comes after 2 is 3. So we know that 3 is 1 more than 2, but it's also 1 less than 4, which helps us to fill in those missing numbers. So then we've got 4, we've got a missing number again, then we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in between 4 and 6, we know the number is 5, because we know that 5 is 1 more than 4, and 5 is 1 less than 6. So we're going to do a little bit of this by telling some stories, answering some number sentences, all around one more and one less. Got really good at telling these stories, and you've even created some of your own, which are fantastic. It was lovely to see those. So you might be able to tell this story with me. Here we have 3 flowers. So first we have 3 flowers. Then I added 1 more. Now that gives us 4 flowers. So if we write that another way, we can say first of all we've got 3, then we added 1, which gave us 4. So we write that in a number sentence, which is 3 add 1 equals 4. 1 more than 3 is 4. Another way of writing it, another way of saying it. So we can say we add 1 or 1 more. Now we've got a tens frame, and we've got the first part full, so that's 5 and a bit. So in our tens frame, remember, we've done 5 and a bit before, so we've got 5 and 1 more. We know 5 and 1 more is 6. 5 and a bit. So we have 6 first of all, then we have 1 more. We're going to add 1, which gave us 7. 6 add 1 equals 7, and 1 more than 6 equals 7. So lots of different ways that we can say it, all meaning the same thing. First we had 6, then we added 1, now we have 7. 6 add 1 equals 7. So there it is as our story format. So remember, when we add 1, it gives 1 more. So every time we add 1, it's just like saying 1 more. So we did 6 add 1 gave us 7. We did 3 add 1 gave us 4. We know 3 add 1 is 4 because it's 1 more than 3 is 4. And 6 add 1 is 7. 1 more than 6 is 7. What I want you to do is I want you to have a go at these number sentences. Remember, it's all about adding 1 more. First column, the answers are missing, so you need to work out the answer by adding 1. It may be the other way around, so you might just need to look at it, but I'm sure you'll be able to do that. And then the second column, the answers are there and part of your number sentence is missing. So slightly trickier, but have a think. Remember, it's all about 1 more, adding 1. So just have a look, and remember, it might not be that the missing number is 1 all of the time. So I might have put something in there to trick you. So just have a look and think about, what do I add to that number to get that number? Right, using all of the methods that you've done before with your part whole model and your bar models, okay, that should help you as well. Alright, if you need to draw one of those, then use that to help you. So if you pause the video and have a go at these, and then when you've done that, the answers will be on the next slide. So here are the answers. So what you might want to do is pause the video, have a look at the answers. Hopefully you've got some of them right. And then if you carry on watching, we'll then move on to one less. Now we're going to move on to one less. So let's tell this story together. First, we have 8 donuts. Then I ate one because I was hungry. Now I have 7 left. So we had 8 to start with. I took 1 away, and then I was left with 7. 8 take away 1 equals 7. 1 less than 8 is 7. Now let's try it with a tens frame. So this time I've got 5. I haven't got any more than that because I can see it's empty. I've got 5. I'm going to take 1 away, which leaves me with 4. 5 take away 1 equals 4, or 1 less than 5 equals 4. When we take away 1, it gives 1 less. So remember, when we add 1, it gives 1 more. When we take away 1, it gives 1 less. Now it's over to you again. So I want you to have a look at these number sentences, and I want you to have a go at these. So remember, subtracting 1 gives 1 less. 1 less than a number, okay? You're just subtracting 1. In the first column, like the others, the answers are missing. You're just taking away 1 each time. And then the second column, a little bit of a tricky challenge, okay, because the answers are there and the missing part is from the number sentence. So remember, the step is about 1 less, but it might not always be take away 1, because I might have thrown a couple of challenges in there just to get your minds thinking, whole class. So remember, have a think about what number do I take away 1 from to get to another number. So if you pause the video and have a go at these, and then once you've done it, play the video and the answers will come on the next slide. So here are the answers. So you might want to pause the video and mark the answers, okay? But I'm sure that you'll have done a fab job, whole class. Remember, if you want to email Miss Crease and Mrs Jackson your work, we do look forward to seeing that. Have a good day.